Electroverse. Anything, everything, electronic. For our branding, we will use the logo to the right of the screen. The logo will be used for all our advertising. The logo will also be used for building brand awareness to get our name out there as we get started. The logo is futuristic for a futuristic type store. It suggests and shows exactly what kind of company this is and what we would like it to be. As for promotional plans go, we will have a budget to film and produce a TV commercial that will be 1 minute long. The commercial will be on 3 different channels: ESPN, Fox, and CNN. The commercial will air 5 times a day for 3 months straight until we get started and we can film another commercial. Other forms of advertising will be billboards. We'll have 4 billboards that will be placed in surrounding areas. Newspaper ads will be a constant, will always be in several different types of newspapers around the area. Another form will be social media. Social media is a cheap way of advertising. You can do it for free, or you can pay to have it promoted on videos and pictures and on people's feeds on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We will pay to have this promoted until brand awareness is established and the business is more popular. Products to be sold. The main sellers for Electroverse will be TVs of all name brands, computers, and laptops. Everyone needs TV and everyone needs computers these days with everything that's evolving. Other products will go along with these, such as printers, gaming consoles, and accessories for all electronics. Other items will be offered for practical use for parents or people that are not into the modern age of video games or TV. These will be such as lamps or chargers and remotes and even mini fridges and microwaves. The location of Electroverse will be Jackson, Mississippi. We wanted to keep Electroverse in Mississippi. The reason we chose Jackson is because it's a highly populated area. There are also several colleges around the area, such as Jackson State University, Mississippi College, and Belhaven University. Jackson is also a convenient spot for several towns that are around that surround Jackson. Most places are 2.5 hours, even closer, which is not a bad drive for a place that has great deals on stuff that you need. Electroverse will also help Jackson grow as a city that has been declining here recently. Hopefully Electroverse is just what it needs. The pricing strategy for Electroverse is penetration pricing. This form of pricing is to have all products really low to draw customers away from what they're used to and competitors. And once Electroverse is established, prices will raise to where they're higher and they'll pay more because they experience what Electroverse has to offer. Evaluating results. Electroverse will set quarterly goals. Every quarter, Electroverse will see if they met or did not meet the goals that they had set. Also, the first 3,000 customers will receive a survey that they will fill out, and if they fill out, they will be offered a 10% discount. This will entice customers to take the survey and let us know how their experience was. Also, after Electroverse is established, we will continue to randomly survey customers to ensure their satisfaction.